So you want to make real money without making any investments? And you don't believe those shady methods either? Then you've come to the right place. So today, I'll show you an official Microsoft program that will help you earn real money with your day-to-day tasks. So first of all, you'll have to ensure that Microsoft Edge is installed, and if not, just head to their website or Playstore to install it. Then create a Microsoft account to continue, which is super easy. Then click here and click on Microsoft Rewards. This will work on mobile as well. Here in the redeem section, what type of things you can earn? Like the gift cards of Amazon, Flipkart, PVR and several video games. And to get the points, all you need to do is do your daily activities, that is browse on the internet. In level 1, you can earn up to 70 points a day, and in level 2, you can earn up to 270 points. You can earn points by using Microsoft Edge with Bing and completing several other activities. And yeah, that is the simplest way of earning money, mainly you are earning free money. And it is actually legitimate as it is offered by Microsoft. And if you are not sure what to search for, you can also search random things and you will definitely get points. So yeah, that was it for this video. Use the method and start earning today.